A little rabbit named Chico lived with his mother in a lush forest. Chico was very mischievous and curious. One day his mother explained to him, "Son, don't go alone to the river that flows at the edge of the forest. After the rain, the water is fast, it can be dangerous." Chico shook his head, but curiosity awoke in his heart. The next day, while his mother was busy with housework, Chico quietly went out to the river. The bubbles and sparkling waves of water were inviting him to play. He jumped on the rocks and approached the bank, but his foot slipped on the wet mud, and he fell into the river. The fast water was carrying him away. In fear, he started shouting, "Mom! Save me!" A dear lady passing by heard Chico's voice. She immediately grabbed a long branch and held it towards Chico. Chico tried hard, and Chico grabbed the branch, and the deer pulled him to the bank. As soon as they reached home, Chico hugged his mother and apologized. "Forgive me, Mother, I did not listen to you. Today I understand that your instructions are for my safety." Mother smiled and hugged him. "Son, the experience of parents is the treasure of life. Always obeying them is your success." Dear children, parents' advice is for our betterment. It is our duty to respect and obey them, because they want our safety and protection. Kids, now also learn some words along with the story. Repeat with us. Lush, lush. Naughty, naughty. Curious, curious. River, river.